My mother's name is Elena. She is 45 years old. She is a kind and patient woman. She is short and has straight black hair. She has big brown eyes and a friendly smile. She likes cooking and watching romantic movies. My father's name is Roberto. He is 50 years old. He is a serious and intelligent man. He is tall and has short, wavy brown hair. He has green eyes and wears glasses. He enjoys reading and fixing things at home. My sister's name is Valeria. She is 17 years old. She is very creative and funny. She has long, curly blonde hair. She is slim and has blue eyes. She likes painting and listening to music. My cousin's name is Thomas. He is 20 years old. He is friendly and athletic. He is of medium height and has short, straight black hair. He has dark brown eyes and a big smile. He enjoys playing soccer and going to the gym.